Hello friends, this is Professor Dattu Patel. Today's lecture we learn about linear differential equation, which is also called Leibniz linear differential equation. First, for definition of linear differential equation, a differential equation of the form of dy by dx plus p of x of y equal to q of x is called first order linear differential equation. First of all, solving the differential equation by linear method, these are the following steps for solving this example. So first, whatever the differential equation given in question, which is in form of dy by dx plus p of x of y equal to q of x, then we identify value of p and q. Now find the integrating factor, which is if equal to e raised to integration p of x dx. Then finding the general solution. The formula of general solution is y into integrating factor equal to integration q into if dx plus c. These steps we solve whenever the differential equation which is given in terms of dy by dx, if differential equation is dx by dy form, then follow this type of steps. Then first, suppose differential equation is dx by dy form, then here q of y x equal to q of y, which is linear differential equation. Then that is the first step. Second step is then identify p of y and q of y. Then second step is find integrating factor, which is e raised to p of y dy. And third step is the general solution is so y into if equal to integration q into if. Here, in whenever our differential equation is dy by dx, then we use y. If our differential equation is dx by dy, then we use here x. X integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. These are the steps for whenever differential equation is dy by dx form, and these are the steps for whenever the differential equation is dx by dy form. Let us start with one example. Example is y dash plus y sin x equal to e raised to cos x. First, we identify our differential equation is linear or not. Then compare with dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Then our differential equation is y dash means dy by dx plus y sin x equal to e raised to cos x, which is same as definition of linear form. Then which is linear differential equation. Then identify p of x and q of x. Then whatever the coefficient which is multiplied with y, that term indicate by p of x, means that is our p of x. This p of x equal to sin x and is equal to term which is indicated by q of x. Then find integrating factor, which is indicated by if equal to e raised to integration p of x dx. Substitute the values of p of x, which is sin x, then e raised to integration sin x dx. Integration of sin, which is minus cos x, then we get integrating factor which is e raised to minus cos x. Now the general solution is, then formula of general solution is y into if integration q into if dx plus c. Substitute the values of integrating factor, which is e raised to minus cos x. So y integration factor is e raised to minus cos x equal to integration q, which is e raised to cos x, into if, which is e raised to minus cos x, plus c. E raised to cos x into e raised to minus cos x cancel out, then we get 1 dx plus c. Then integration of 1 is x plus c. Then y equal to x plus c into e raised to cos x, where c is an arbitrary constant. That is our general solution. First, in this example, first we identify our differential equation is linear or not. Then identify the value of p and q. Then finding the integrating factor. Then find the general solution and substitute the values of integrating factor and give the simplify. Then we get general solution. Let us solve another example. Then y dash plus 6x square y equal to e raised to minus 2x cube by x square. First, y dash means dy by dx plus 6x square y equal to e raised to minus 2x cube by x square. That is our linear form, dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Means that term indicated by p of x and that term indicated by q of x. Means our differential equation is in form of linear form. Then first identify p and q, then find the integrating factor. So p equal to 6x square and q of x equal to e raised to minus 2x cube by x square. Then integrating factor is, so if equal to e raised to integration p of x dx. Substitute the values of p of x, which is 6x square dx. Then integration of 6x cube by 3 2's are. Then integrating factor is e raised to 2x cube. Now general solution is y into integrating factor equal to integration q into if dx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Substitute the values of if. Then y, if is e raised to 2x cube. Here e raised to then equal to integration q, which is indicated by e raised to minus 2x cube by x square into if, which is e raised to 2x cube dx plus c. This both term are cancel out. Then y into e raised to 2x cube integration 1 upon x square dx plus c. Integral this term, which is minus 1 upon x plus c. Then y e raised to 2x cube. Then simplify this term. Then plus 1 upon x equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. That is our general solution. But maybe sometimes in question asked as a IVP form, means initial value problem, also solve IVP, which is y of 1 equal to 0. Then we find particular integral. If IVP is not present in question, then solve up to general solution. If IVP present, then need to find the value of c. Means in this example we put the value of IVP in general solution. Means here y of 1 equal to 0, that is the value of x and that is value of y. Means x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Put in equation number A. That is our equation number A. Then 0 into anything? 0 plus 1 upon 1 equal to c. Then value of c is 1. Substitute the value of c in general solution. Then we get particular solution is, which is y e raised to 2x cube plus 1 upon x equal to 1. That is our particular solution. Another example is one plus y square dx by dy equal to tan inverse y minus x. In first and second example, differential equation which is in form of dy by dx. But in this example, differential equation is dx by dy form. Then rearrange the equation. Then dx by dy plus 1 upon y square into x equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square tan inverse y. Means here our differential equation is in form of linear, means which is linear differential equation. Then this term which is indicated by p of y and this term which is indicated by q of y. Then value of p of y which is 1 upon 1 plus y square and value of q of y which is 1 upon 1 plus y square tan inverse y. Then find integrating factor which is e raised to p of y dy. Here differential equation is dx by dy. Then we use p of y dy. Here differential equation dy by dx. Then we use p of x dx. Substitute the value p of y which is 1 upon 1 plus y square dy. Then integral this term which is tan inverse y. That is our integrating factor. Now the general solution is yif. In place of we use x into if, integration q into if dx. In place of we use dy. Now substitute the value of integrating factor and give the simplified. Then x integrating factor is e raised to tan inverse y integration q. So 1 upon 1 plus y square tan inverse y into integrating factor which is e raised to tan inverse y plus c. Now simplify this term, then we use then x e raised to tan inverse y equal to integration tan inverse y into e raised to tan inverse y into 1 upon 1 plus y square dy plus c. Now we cannot solve the direct integration of this term. Then we assume another variable which is tan inverse y equal to v. Differentiate this term, then we get 1 upon 1 plus y square dy equal to dv. Substitute this value in this equation and we get then x into e raised to tan inverse y integral here e raised to v into e raised to v 1 upon 1 plus y square dy equal to dv plus c. Now integral this the term uv rule, u as it is, integral of v minus derivative of v integral of v plus c. Then e raised to v common, then we get v minus 1 plus c. Now substitute the values of v, then x e raised to tan inverse y equal to e raised to v, then e raised to tan inverse y in bracket v minus 1 means tan inverse y minus 1 plus c. Now simplify this term, then we get x equal to e raised to tan inverse cancel out, then tan inverse y minus 1 plus c e raised to minus tan inverse y, where c is an arbitrary constant. If we left answer up to here, then also it's correct. Similarly, y dash plus y equal to x. This example we can also solve by variable separable method, which is already learned in lecture number 1 of first order ordinary differential equation. Y dash minus y equal to e raised to 2x. Another one is y dash plus 1 upon y square e raised to 1 upon x. Fourth one is y dash minus 1 plus 3x raised to minus 1 of y equal to x plus 2. In this example, I also put IVP, which is y of 1 equal to e minus 1. Another one is y dash plus y tan y equal to sin 2x In this example, also substitute the IVP, which is y of 0 equal to 0. And last one is 1 plus y squared dx equal to e raised to minus tan inverse y minus x dy. This all the examples are as a tutorial. You can solve as a homework. If you have any doubts, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for listening this video.